Hey, welcome back. Van here. Moer sent me a vacuum sealer to try out, but it came at the right time because I made some beef jerky that I'm going to send my daughter that's off in college. So this vacuum sealer to me is really small. I'm not really sure what to expect with this. I've not used it yet. That's what I like about my channel. My channel is all about saving people time and money with my how-tos and product reviews. There's nothing worse than getting a product home and it not working, or not working like you think it's supposed to. There'll be a link for this in the video description down below. Hopefully you'll use it. This thing is not real expensive. It was like $19.80 I believe on Amazon at the time that I'm making this video. When you take it out of the box, you're going to have it. It's going to be in this to protect it. It's going to come with a power cord. Let's go ahead and get that plugged up. This plug right here is just a 110. Plugs into a 110 outlet. It looks like there's, let's see if you can plug it up backwards. You can plug it up either way somehow. I don't know why. I guess because it's alternating current. You lock it with these locks here on the side. You hit the vacuum and seal button, which is right here. This right here is the vacuum release. I guess it's a one-way check valve. And this button right here means to seal only. And this thing in the owner's manual says in bold letters, not intended to be used by itself. So that means to me that it's not meant to be sealed without anything in there. So what I've got here is I've got some vacuum seal bags. These are bags that I use for beef jerky. It's got a Ziploc top, and I'll leave a link for that in the description too. This is a stand-up pouch, something that I use for beef jerky as well. I guess the first thing we want to do is weigh up some jerky, so let's turn on our scale. Put this on here. Weighs 0.2 grams. We're going to zero it out. Throw some jerky in there. Let's try this thing out. To use this right here is your heat strip. This is your vacuum chamber area. This right here is what the heat strip goes up against to seal it off, and this right here is the gasket for the vacuum chamber. So when you use this, you want to put this snake skin, I guess what you want to call it, perforated or whatever, side right here down. You want to make sure that there's no creases in this at all. You want to make sure that the tip of this goes inside the vacuum chamber itself. You want to close it. You want to close these latches, and it says when you're doing this to hold down on it with your finger, okay? But it's $19.80, so what can you expect? Let's hit the vacuum and the seal and put our finger right here. This seal is going to change colors. It's going to go to green when it's done. Right now it's red. Alright, now it's green. And I think you have to hold this button down right here to release the seal on it. And you do. So if this was just for like, hey, I need to use this every once in a while, I don't need to use it a whole lot, this would be great for you, it seems like. So that's sealed off pretty good. Let's try something right here. Put some jerky in this bag. All right. So now we're just going to seal it only. We're not going to vacuum it. And it says in the instructions to, if you're going to just seal it only, make sure that it's not inside the vacuum chamber. I don't know why. I don't see any issues with it with my other vacuum sealers. But it looks like I can just butt it up to this gasket right here on the chamber. Alright. Let us close this. Lock the sides and press seal only. Showing the light's green already. Well, if the light's already green, it didn't do anything. Let's reset it. Alright, power went out. I'm going to plug it back up. Put this in here. Lock it. Seal only. Okay, now it's turned red. I didn't know you'd have to hold down on it. Anyways, it's turned red. Oh, I know what the problem is. You're supposed to wait a minute before sealing. So let's hope that it's turned green now. Let's hope that it's sealed. And it is. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's got a good seal on it. So these oxygen absorbers are 50 cc's. If I remember right, no, it's 100 cc's oxygen absorbers. For smaller bags you can use a 50 cc. For larger bags use 100 cc. But this takes out any kind of oxygen in the bag to make your jerky or whatever you're going to preserve last longer. If you need something simple, I believe this is your best bet. Less than 20 bucks. You can pick it up on Amazon. Pick you up some bags too. You'll end up with some free shipping. You can't go wrong with that. I mean, if it works this time, it's going to work every time, right? It looks like there's a really good seal on here. I've used a lot of vacuum sealers, and I know what I'm talking about when it comes to vacuum sealers. But I've never seen one this cheap priced. And I've never seen one that doesn't come mechanical on its own. One that you have to actually help it out by holding it down. I'm not sure really why that is. It's Moer. I'll actually leave a link to their stuff there on their website. Plus you can also check out their stuff on Amazon. Y'all, hope this video was very informative to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. If you would, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Leave a question if you have one. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back.